If you're having trouble opening up any of Kitbash's City Kit assets, I have a couple really quick tips that can help streamline this process for you. This will also work with any other 3D file or scene assets that you have. First, let's go into options. Go down to where it says materials. Let's turn the materials off because a lot of these models will have a lot of high resolution materials that are attached to your object. So let's get those out of there so they don't have to load. The next, let's go to filter and go down to where it says polygon. And we are going to uncheck polygon. Okay, so now when we import this file, let's go to File, Merge Objects, and bring in our Kitbash City Kit that you want, as it's going to have a lot of different assets here. And now we don't actually have to allow our viewport here to load each individual piece of geometry, and we can begin to split these out into different groups. So now I can come in here and I can select whatever assets that I want. I can copy those. Let's open up a new file. And let's paste those right into Cinema 4D. Now you can see that we've got those assets in here ready to go. And we can start to separate out these pieces of the assets of the Kitbash Cyberpunk kit or whatever kit you're looking at. And we can set them out into kind of more digestible chunks here that your machine is able to handle. And then we can save these out. And that way you can see what assets you want and you don't have to bog down your machine.